welcome to this video. And this one's going to be a bit different because I'm going to share with you our website that we previously had, which is this one that you've seen on the screen. And I'm going to show you the after. So the before and after. And the reason why I wanted to share this with you is to basically showcase our software, Spacia. It's not just a system to help SMBs streamline their processes using the power of AI and automation. We can actually build websites within Spacia.ai. So what you're looking at here is basically the website for our software, and it's pretty much for the time. I actually built this. It's 2025 now in October. I built this website back in, I think, 2023, maybe 2022. But basically, I just wanted to give you an idea of what it looked like. As you can see, pretty basic at the time. I think it was pretty epic. Fast forward to 2025, as I mentioned, it is October. The time that I am recording this video, I mean, it pretty much speaks for itself. And with the tools that are available now, especially inside of Spacia, the websites that we are able to build within the platform are just phenomenal, right? No longer do you have to pay website developers that, charge you enterprise prices. That does not exist anymore. So let me just quickly go through the website. So for context, our website actually has 27 pages, right? I'm just going to run through a couple of them. This is our payments page where it just showcases the payment features within Spacia. As you can see, pretty basic, pretty standard. And then obviously the call to action to get started, watch a demo, right? Another page we have is on messaging. Every message in one place. If you haven't seen, we basically have conversations all within one channel, whether it be Facebook, Instagram, SMS, email, WhatsApp. The list goes on. You can actually message within our software, and all those messages are in one place, right? So again, I'm just sharing with you the pages that we have built since 2022, I would say. That's our messaging page. The About Us page, again, very, very basic, very broad. You get the picture, right? Pretty standard, especially for 2022. Obviously, this bottom right-hand corner, we do have an AI chatbot. Obviously, you want to be able to utilize that so you can capture leads that visit your website where you're not able to track, especially after hours around the globe, especially if you do business internationally. You want to be able to have something like this AI chatbot to respond 24/7, basically, right? So anyway, we'll leave that out for now. I'm going to show you the contact page, which is just basically our calendar. For context, I did update this calendar. So if you were to visit our website, Spacia.ai, you would see this calendar is, I would say, modern in comparison to what was here before. So I did update this page. Actually, I just updated the calendar as such. The rest of this page is basically what I had built back in 2022. So one more recap before I show you the after, right? This is the home page. So pretty standard, not too bad, right? Especially if you compare it into some other websites out there for software, so to speak. And as I mentioned before, this website has 27 pages. And speaking with the team, as of late, we've realized there's a lot more in business that we can simplify. And in terms of processes, the day-to-day operations. And we thought we would begin with our website so that all of our clients, customers, prospects that are thinking about working with us, we've got to lead the way, right? So we thought we would start by simplifying our website from 27 pages to 3 pages. And this is our website today, October 2025. Bam. So I'm not going to move the cursor yet. I'm just going to leave it there so that you can see the difference before, after. Now let's start with the top, the menu at the top, right? Obviously, we've got some pretty epic coding, right, at the top menu bar there. But as I mentioned before, we've gone from 27 pages to 3 pages, which is basically a home page, about us page, and a contact us page. Obviously, we've got our voice AI here still, which is what you need. On the left-hand side, we've actually got this translator where you can actually translate our website in Filipino, right? Philippines. Also, for those of you that don't know, I'm actually Samoan. You can actually translate it into Samoan as well, which is pretty cool. So aside from that, this is our brand new homepage. And as you can see the text here, right, it rolls over with basically different sub headlines, right? As we mentioned before, we're trying to explain our entire software through this, but now without even scrolling down, this is what you're able to see, right? You want to be able to capture the attention of the website visitor before they even scroll. And obviously to the top, you can book a call, or you can actually speak to our AI. So if you were to click this, it would call our voice AI. So feel free to demo that if you're watching this video and you want to check it out. Maybe you want a voice AI agent for your business, but our voice AI literally answers every single one of our calls 24/7. So this image that you see here, this is literally inside our software. This is just a snapshot of the dashboard in one of the sub accounts. And as I scroll, this is what happened, right? The headline disappears and now you see the image, and then it goes into the next thing. So just by this alone, right, you can see some effects there, the bit of a glow. Again, book an introductory call, right? But this is basically our updated website. All right, so scroll to the top, replace outdated systems, image of our actual software with one intelligent platform. Automate content, reply, and phone calls with AI-powered workflows. No tech skills required. If you're convinced, book a call. This here is basically some of our partners that currently use our software, Spacia.ai, and we'll keep scrolling. Comes to our next section. These are some of the AI agents that we currently have inside of Spacia at the moment. And if you scroll on each one of these, each one actually moves, right? So pretty cool. This one here is just explaining the analytics, insights, and dashboards within Spacia, because how do you run a business if you don't track your KPIs and metrics? Next section is how it all works. So again, as I mentioned before, we wanted to simplify our website from 27 pages on this, believe it or not, 27 pages on our website, now down to 3. And all we want our visitors to do is just take one action. And this section here explains how it works. If you want to work with us, if you want to use Spacia for your business, this is how it works. Step 1, free introductory call. I won't read the rest of it. Step 2, discovery call. Step 3, AI audit. Step 4, solutions. Step 5, deploy, right? So this is literally our process when we help businesses utilize the power of AI through Spacia, our software. And again, call to action, book an introductory call. And then we go down to our actual real Google reviews, right? There's 43 there. Feel free to check them out. And then at the bottom, we just left it to FAQ, right? And for each one of these that you click on, every single one has a new image, description, basically a question, a common question that we get asked, and the answer, right? And we've broken it down into 5 different categories. What you need to know about Spacia: integration and core capabilities, reputation, payments, and growth tools. Again, you can actually click on each one of these. Security, support, and flexibility. And the last one is ROI plans. And the last one, ROI plans and the Spacia Advantage. So as you can see, pretty cool, right? And again, call to action at the bottom of the page. And this is our website footer. So there you have it. That is the home page, right? So let's take a quick scroll. Home page, right? As you can see, massive difference. Again, got the effects in here. Pretty awesome. How it all works, right? 5 steps there is. Google reviews, FAQ, broken down into 5 sections. Pretty much answers every single thing you need to know about Spacia. So that there, ladies and gentlemen, is our homepage. And there's only 2 pages left, which is the About Us and the contact page. So I'll take you to our contact page. And as you can see, this is where you book your call. So it's got our calendar. Obviously, it's a lot bigger than the other one, which was this one. Right? That was our old contact page. This is our new contact page. So there you have it, pretty straightforward. Description here is on the left on what you can expect when you book a introductory call. 15 minutes, pretty straightforward. Basically, we just find out if we are a good fit to work with each other and if we can actually help your business, right? So there's a few slots there. That is pretty straightforward. Contact, book your call. That is how you contact us. And again, we've got the buttons here: book call, speak to our AI. If you don't want to book a call, you might be curious about our AI, just click that button, have a conversation with our voice AI. Now, third and final page is the About Us, which is this one here. And this literally is the team. Talk to the team that builds it, right? And this is basically our bio. This here is our co-founder, the man, the myth, the legend, Lawrence, and also his expertise and experience. So that's a little spiel on Mr. Molnar right there, co-founder. And obviously this is yours truly, same deal. And our chief of operations, Camille DG. This is also a description of her expertise and everything else in between. And this here is the team at Spacia, right? We do have customer support that runs 24/7 behind the scenes, but in terms of the team that basically is the engine behind Spacia, it's basically us 3. So in case you were wondering, and again, if you want to book an introductory call to action button is there. Again, we're showing our partners, and then it breaks down to the next section, which is our mission: bringing enterprise power to small business without the enterprise price tag. And again, this here is literally a screenshot of our software, breaks that down to our mission. Feel free to pause this video and read, or alternatively, go to our website and check it out, because by the time you see this video, our website will be live, spacia.ai. Again, first one was our mission. The next one is our vision, right? So we break it down there. Vision a future where every business runs intelligently, right? So I'll read this little one here. A world where the corner cafe, the family run clinic, and the growing recruitment agency have access to the same system, speed, and sophistication as global enterprises without the red tape or price tag. Fully transparent. Us three here, Lawrence, myself, and Camille, we're quite bullish on being able to offer this SMB's enterprise software without the enterprise price tag. And as you'll dive deeper, you'll realize our mission is truly bigger than us. And this section is obviously our values, built for people, powered by purpose. Again, I'll let you read through all of this. Again, the purpose of this video was to just showcase and also document our website before and after. Because I'm pretty happy with this. And again, as I mentioned before, Spacia is not just a system for businesses to streamline their processes and operations. We actually can build websites within the platform. And this is an example because this is built within Spacia. This here is a little spiel on why we exist. Feel free to read this yourself or visit our website. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. It's just a 3-page website down from 27 pages. This is our first website, RIP. And it's just, we've simplified everything because we had so many questions, messages on how Spacia works and where to click, where to go. And we figure, you know what? Let's just simplify the process even more by taking away a lot of the fluff, so to speak. Obviously, we still have all these features within the software, but in our experience, especially 2-3 years down the track, we've realized a lot of the prospects we speak to, clients that we take on board, once they've seen Spacia, we've realized they don't need to know all the benefits and features of Spacia in the beginning, which is why we just created a 3-page website, home, about us, contact. This is basically our team, our mission, our vision, our values, and why we exist. I mean, it doesn't get any more simpler than that. And obviously our homepage, right? Everything there for people that don't know us yet, pretty simple. Shows you the system, all-in-one intelligent platform, our partners, our AI solutions, voice AI, content, reputation AI, conversation, goes on and on and on. Yes, there is a CRM, super CRM, I might add, invoicing and payments. And this is how it all works. If you would like to get started, you just simply book a introductory call. That'll take you to this page and you'll be connected to one of us who will walk you through the entire process, answer any of your questions, and show you how AI and automation powered by Spacia can help your business scale, streamline, better, bigger, faster. So that is the end of this video. Just wanted to show you our updated website before and after. One more time. Before, after. Before, after.